The 2027 Honda CRV is arriving with 7 distinct trim levels, from a $33,000 base model all the way up to a $44,000 fully loaded hybrid. And choosing the wrong one could mean paying thousands of dollars for features you'll never use. If you've ever stared at a trim comparison sheet, completely unsure whether that next upgrade is genuinely worth it or just clever upselling, this breakdown is going to give you a clear answer for every single level. Most buyers assume the base trim is the financially smart move, but in the 2027 CRV lineup, the real value doesn't always live at the bottom, and some of the most important features are hiding exactly where most shoppers stop looking. Number 7. LX Trim. The LX is where the 2027 CRV lineup is starting, and it's setting a solid floor for what a base trim should look like. Priced at around $33,000, it's coming with a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder, producing 190 horsepower and 179 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard, with all-wheel drive available as an option. What's already included here is worth paying attention to. LED headlights, push-button start, and a 9-inch touchscreen are all standard, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a wireless phone charger. Those features used to cost extra on most competitors not long ago. On the safety front, the LX is arriving with forward collision warning with automatic braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. That's a full stack of active safety tech that requires no extra charge. The honest limitation of the LX comes down to two things: a 4-speaker sound system that leaves plenty of room for improvement, and 17-inch wheels that are the smallest in the lineup. Neither is a deal breaker, but buyers who spend significant time on the highway or value audio quality will likely find the step up to EX worth the investment. And once you see what that step is adding, the math gets harder to argue against. Number 6. EX Trim. The EX is building directly on the LX, and the upgrades it's carrying are the kind that make a difference on every single commute. An 18-inch wheel upgrade, a panoramic sunroof, dual-zone climate control, and heated front seats are all part of the standard package. For anyone spending hours in the driver's seat through changing seasons, that combination alone carries real weight. Anyone who has shared a car with someone who runs permanently hot or permanently cold knows exactly what this means. One person is sweating through a January commute. The other is reaching for a jacket in July. The EX's dual-zone climate control is ending that argument entirely. Driver and passenger are each dialing in their own temperature independently, with no compromise required from either side. Beyond that, the EX is also adding a power-adjustable driver's seat and a 6-speaker sound system, along with blind spot warning and rear cross-traffic alert, two safety features the LX is leaving out entirely. Dual rear USB ports round out a trim that checks nearly every daily comfort box without touching luxury pricing. The EX is likely to be the sweet spot for buyers who don't need leather seats but want a cabin that feels properly equipped. It's not reaching for premium status, but it's not cutting corners either. Still, one trim above it is doing something the EX simply cannot, and it changes the way the interior reads entirely. Number 5. EXL Trim. The EXL tops the non-hybrid CRV range, arriving with a noticeably different feel from the trims below. Leather upholstery, a power liftgate, driver's seat memory settings, and a 10.2-inch digital instrument display are all standard. That instrument cluster alone changes how the cabin reads: cleaner, more modern, more fitting of this price point. The power-adjustable front passenger seat means both front occupants are getting equal comfort. Front and rear parking sensors make tight space maneuvering considerably less stressful, and the 8-speaker audio system is a meaningful jump over the EX's 6-speaker setup, particularly noticeable at highway speeds. At around $36,900, the EXL is the most complete turbo-powered CRV available. For buyers who prefer gas-only power with a well-equipped cabin, this is where the non-hybrid lineup peaks. But if fuel efficiency is the priority, the conversation shifts entirely. The next 4 trims are operating on completely different terms. Number 4. Sport Hybrid Trim. This is where the powertrain story changes completely. The Sport Hybrid is the most accessible entry point into CRV hybrid ownership, arriving with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder paired with 2 electric motors producing 204 combined horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque, 14 more horsepower than the non-hybrid and significantly more torque at low speeds. Fuel costs hit hardest in city driving, where a gas engine cycles on constantly under inefficient conditions. The hybrid system addresses that directly. City fuel economy reaches 40 43 miles per gallon with front-wheel drive, meaning a buyer averaging 15,000 miles per year could save over $1,000 annually compared to the Turbo LX, money that adds up every single month. All-wheel drive drops that to 40 city, still a strong figure. The Sport Hybrid also adds roof rails, a sport appearance package with darkened exterior elements, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Available in front or all-wheel drive, no buyer is being locked into a single configuration. But one trim in this lineup makes that all-wheel drive decision automatically and backs it with the hardware to justify it. Number 3. Trail Sport Hybrid Trim. The Trail Sport Hybrid is the first CRV built with mixed terrain in mind, and all-wheel drive is standard. No option, no upgrade required. An enhanced traction management system operating below 9 miles per hour splits torque more aggressively between axles, helping pull the CRV out of situations that catch most compact SUVs off guard. Standard all-season tires are built for pavement. Put them on wet gravel, a snow-covered dirt road, or a muddy campsite exit, and the limitations surface fast, usually at the worst possible moment. That's the gap the Trail Sport is closing. 18-inch wheels wrapped in Continental Cross-Contact ATR all-terrain tires provide meaningful grip on exactly those surfaces, giving the CRV confident footing where standard rubber simply isn't designed to go. Inside, a heated steering wheel, power liftgate, and 8-speaker audio system are all standard. Fuel economy settles at 38 city and 33 highway, lower than the Sport Hybrid due to the all-terrain rubber and drivetrain weight. For buyers who regularly face unpaved roads or mixed winter conditions, that trade-off is straightforward. The Sport L Hybrid takes a different approach entirely. Less off-road focus, more everyday refinement. Number 2. Sport L Hybrid Trim. The Sport L bridges the gap between the Sport Hybrid's efficiency and the Sport Touring's premium positioning. Starting around $41,000, it adds the 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, front and rear parking sensors, and an upgraded audio system over the Sport Hybrid. Front-wheel drive is standard here, and front-wheel drive Sport L models have historically returned slightly better fuel economy than all-wheel drive counterparts. For buyers in mild climates who aren't prioritizing off-road capability, the Sport L is packaging the hybrid's best efficiency figures with a more complete interior than the base Sport Hybrid offers. Wireless charging, 4 USB-C ports, 2 up front and 2 for rear passengers, and Wi-Fi hotspot capability are all standard. The cabin feels noticeably more finished at this level, making a strong case for buyers who want hybrid efficiency and a well-rounded daily experience without paying Sport Touring pricing. Number 1. Sport Touring Hybrid Trim. The Sport Touring Hybrid is the CRV at its most complete. At around $44,000 with standard all-wheel drive, it's delivering a feature set that genuinely closes the gap between mainstream and near luxury. A 12-speaker Bose premium audio system, a hands-free power liftgate, and Google built-in services, including Google Maps, are all standard, not optional upgrades. Long highway drives accumulate fatigue quietly. Wind noise, road noise, and engine drone wearing on a driver without them fully registering it. The Sport Touring addresses that with acoustically insulated front windows and windshield, bringing cabin noise down to a noticeably lower baseline at speed, the kind of difference that makes a 2-hour drive feel shorter than it is. The Sport Touring all-wheel drive reaches 60 miles per hour in around 7.1 seconds, and 19-inch gloss black wheels give the exterior more presence than any other trim without going excessive. The full safety suite is here as well, including the heated steering wheel and parking sensors from the Sport L. It's not claiming luxury status, but it's delivering on nearly every comfort metric that matters in daily use. The 2027 Honda CRV lineup runs from $33,000 to $44,000 across 7 trims, with each step delivering something genuinely different from the one before it. The LX handles the essentials cleanly, the EX adds the daily comforts that actually matter, and the EXL closes out the gas range with a more refined interior. Cross into hybrid territory with the Sport and fuel costs drop significantly. The Trail Sport adds real off-road capability, the Sport L packages efficiency with a more complete feature set, and the Sport Touring brings everything together into the most well-rounded CRV Honda is currently building. The right trim comes down to how you actually use the vehicle. And now that every level is on the table, that decision is considerably easier to make. Such a diversity of options is definitely one of CRV's key strengths, and rivals have their trump cards as well. One of them is the new Subaru Forester, which you can check out in our next video. It's rugged, practical, and capable, but it also comes with loads of hidden features that can drastically improve your ownership experience once you discover them.